Welcome everybody, come on in. So let's start from the kitchen. I always like to have a fresh flower arrangement in my kitchen. It just makes me feel so much happier. And I did this myself. So this is where I cook and where we eat, but I wanted to show you something really interesting. As I was touring this apartment, they showed me the model home and they have this amazingly organized fridge, so I thought I wanted to do that too. I like my fridge to be organized. It helps me to be disciplined with my diet. And I put the food in different categories, and there are vegetables in this drawer. I put the fruits here, and I like to have my milk in a smaller container because that way I don't have to waste a lot of milk and I can have it fresh all the time. So I just recently moved into this apartment and I'm still decorating, but I would like to tell you a little bit about my story through some of my pictures. So here's Clara, and I have a beautiful daughter. She is 5 now, but I took this picture when she was only 2 years old. And this was me 6 years ago when I first moved to Houston, and I took a trip to Dallas all by myself, and these are some kids that I met in the park, but it was such a great memory. And here's a picture of me and my boyfriend on our first Vegas trip. We had so much fun on this trip. So this is a funny story. This is actually Clara's very first Santa picture, and as an immigrant, I didn't really know that I should take her to the mall and take Christmas pictures until this year. And here's some more pictures. This one, we took it right before I left the country, and we had a photo shoot. I couldn't see my family for many years, and every time I look at it, it just warms my heart. This is my favorite part of the house because I love mixing drinks. If you're interested in some of my favorite cocktail recipe, comment down below. Another thing I wanted to mention is this art piece. This is actually the very first rose that my boyfriend gave it to me on our first date. And I kept the rose thinking maybe if this turned into something special, I can make an art out of that rose, and I did. Now let's take a look at my daughter's room. So this is her bedroom, and she has been wanting to have a sliding bed. So for Christmas, that's what she got. Like I said earlier, I'm still decorating this apartment, so there are so many things that I haven't finished yet. I have to put her kitchen together, but I wanted to mention something for you guys. This art piece right here is actually made by my little baby herself. And I don't know if you can tell, it's a different sizing, but some of the handprints are from when she was 3 and some of them were from when she was 4. And I'm hoping that we can add a little bit more handprint from the age of 5. We love doing arts and crafts together. Here's another thing that Clara did, is that I bought this really cool letters, and then I asked Clara to paint them, and she did this when she was only 2 years old. And we added a little bit decoration to make it look fun. Besides the best view, I love living in this area because we have all the really cool restaurants and places just in a walking distance. Let's take a quick tour in my closet. closet. I don't want to get into the details because I would like to make another video just about my closet. However, I would like to show you these heels from Christian Louboutin that I stressed myself. And for the following video, I will show you how to crystalline your shoes by yourself and make it look extravagant. So this is the master bathroom. I spent a lot of time getting ready in here. On this surface, I don't like to put anything. I want my bathroom to look clean. All of the products that I use to get ready are in this drawer. I like to organize them. And here, all of my makeup palettes, eyeshadow palettes, and toiletries. And over here is the soaking bathtub. Actually, me and Clara, we like to take a bath every night before the bedtime. And those are the bath bombs that we made ourselves. I would like to make a video about that. If you're interested, please let me know. So this sums up my apartment tour. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.